Hey, YouTube family. Yo, how's everybody doing today? There's something I want to tell you that's very important. It's not just for the Mind Time community. It's for everybody who's watching this. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you because you have accepted the challenge to start your own YouTube channel. And not only started your own YouTube channel, I'm proud of you for even thinking it's possible to get started on this YouTube journey. That's why I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you because even before you woke up this morning, you was on my mind because you have been thinking about starting a channel. You've been thinking about making videos. You've been thinking about, titles and thumbnails. And you thought about giving up, but you said, no, I got to do this. I got to start this channel. I know I got a gift. I know I have to have something to give somebody, but I don't know how to do it. And you felt like giving up, but you didn't give up. That's why I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you because you didn't think it's robbery to even try. Make the attempt to start a YouTube channel. And why I'm talking about YouTube, because that's what people are talking to me about in my comment section. They tell me they don't know how to start. They don't know what the titles to make their videos. They don't know how to make the videos. They don't know what they should say in their videos. But I'm still proud of you because you are attempting something that never was done before by you. That's why I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you just for being on YouTube, searching and trying to figure out how to operate in this YouTube universe. You started a channel. You got a name for your channel. Not only got a name for your channel, you thought about thumbnails and titles for the videos. That's why I'm proud of you. Don't think it's strange you're listening to this video right now. It's already 2 minutes in. If you're still listening to me, I want you to know I'm proud of you. Because let's take it a step further. I'm proud of you for not giving up in life. I'm proud of you for getting out of bed today when you say, I don't know how I'm going to make it. You're praying to God, oh, I need some peace. Oh, I'm praying. You're praying to God saying you need something to happen. You need some change in your life because you don't know if you're going to make it. But yet you're on this video listening to me saying, I'm proud of you because I am proud of you. You didn't have to watch me speak to you now 2 minutes and 45 seconds in. And I'm telling you, I'm proud of you because you need to hear this. If you don't need to hear this, leave. But this is for those who need to hear this. Because so many times growing up, how many times you want to hear somebody say, I'm proud of you? You tell your daughter, I'm proud of you. You tell your son, I'm proud of you. You even tell your wife, I'm proud of you. But how many times people tell you, I'm proud of you? I see what you're doing. I see the attempts that you're making. You might not make the best judgment sometimes. You might mess up sometimes. But as long as you keep on keeping on and keep on moving forward, I'm proud of you. And even if you stop sometimes, I'm still proud of you because you made that attempt. So many people stop and stay, but you don't stop and stay. You stop and start over again. You might stop and start, but that's better than stopping and staying. That's why I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you because you didn't give up. You had your faith in operation because faith without works is dead. I can tell you how much faith you have by what you are doing. And what you're doing, you're on YouTube, starting your channel. You're on YouTube, creating thumbnails. You're on YouTube, creating videos. Even if you're not creating videos and posting them, you're creating videos in your mind. You're creating videos in your heart. You're creating titles in your heart that's connected to the gift that you have inside of you. That's why I'm proud of you. I want you to understand that everything that you're doing, everything that's happening in your life is not for you. It's designed for those that's assigned to you. Even listening to this video now, by me saying I'm proud of you, I am proud of you. Even if you're not in my Time community. Even if you just, seeing me on your feed and you hearing what I'm saying and you clicked on it and you hearing what I'm saying is resonating with you and you still here at 4 minutes and 54, 55, 56 seconds. Listen to what I'm telling you. Don't give up. Don't quit. Just because nobody's viewing your videos don't mean you don't have any viewers. So many people can watch your videos without them clicking on the video. You know it's true. You go to your feed, you look at certain videos, they're already playing. You see the captions on the bottom. You start reading it. Okay, it sounds good. Okay, then you click on it, opens it up, then you hear it live. Just because you don't have any views don't mean you're not being viewed. It doesn't mean you don't have any viewers. You have viewers who just want to hear and see that you're consistent. That's why I'm proud of you. You're consistent. You're watching me. You're consistent. For those that subscribe to me and listen to this video, you're consistent. I'm proud of you because you're supporting me. I'm proud of you because you're supporting yourself. You're supporting yourself. Not only me, you're supporting yourself because you're getting this inspiration and this motivation that I'm sharing and helping you get to that next level in your life. Whatever it is, I'm proud of you. Because life be lifing. Life be lifing. I want to do 3 videos a day. But life be lifing. I can only do 2 videos a day. Life be on a trip. I can only do 1 video a day. And then life say, okay, I'm going to challenge you and see how much you really want to be this video or YouTube personality. Or do you want to be a YouTube person who is effective and not famous? That's why life be life, and they want to test you. It want to test you to see if you're going to be faithful in what you're trying to break through. Because the breakthrough is already there. You just got to be faithful. The breakthrough is already there. You got to be faithful and committed. That's why I'm proud of you. I want you to understand that the things you're going through is not for you. You're still here for a reason. You're here for a reason. You don't want to start a YouTube just to start a YouTube. Because you start a YouTube and just talk about this, that, and the other. You're not going to be passionate enough to stay. You got to have stickability. The things that you want to accomplish, you got to have the passion to accomplish it. You make 4 or 5 videos and you say, I don't feel like doing any more videos anymore. I don't got no topics to talk about. Yes, you do. Talk about that, what you want to talk about, and keep on talking about it until you can't talk about it no more. I'm proud of you because you have everything that you say that you desire to have. You're just afraid to share it. I'm still proud of you because you still have that gift inside of you and you're still fighting to get on YouTube. You're still fighting just to share your message, but you don't know how to share it on YouTube yet because you don't have the knowledge. The bridge between knowledge and wisdom is understanding. You don't have the understanding on how to break through on YouTube. How to break through on YouTube? Be consistent. Make videos. Even if the video is bad, make videos. Keep posting. Keep posting. Because as you post, the more you post, the better you get. The better you get, the more you post. It's the circle of life on YouTube. As you're posting, you'll get more views. As you get more views, you're going to keep continually posting. So, I don't want to keep on rambling on, but you need to hear this. I'm proud of you. Don't take it lightly. I don't tell that to many people. People in my time community, I'm proud of you. People who just watching this video, I'm still proud of you because I know you're trying to break through in YouTube. You're trying to get that viral video, but you don't need a viral video. You just need a video of your authentic self. And they'll see who you really are. And they'll know who you really are. And they'll understand who you really are. Why am I moving the camera like this? Anyway, I just want to let you know, don't give up. Don't quit. Because if you quit, you're going to regret it. You're going to regret quitting. Because when I quit it in 2012, I was like, man, I know I should have stopped, but nobody watching my videos. Nobody's looking at me. Nobody's searching for me. I don't even know what I'm doing. And why should I keep on making videos? Why should I keep on doing it? Nothing's happening. But these videos are seeds. We're planting seeds in the ground of YouTube, and it's going to produce fruit eventually. Some people say it's a snowball effect. Yes, a snowball effect, but you got to have snow first. But if this is a seed, you got to plant the seed in ground, and the ground is going to cause that seed to grow. And if the seed grows, it's going to produce fruit of its kind. That's why I'm proud of you, because you have a seed, which is a gift that you're planting in YouTube. And you want to plant that seed in YouTube with videos. And if you plant the seed, which is videos in YouTube, somebody's going to watch it. And if somebody watches it, don't you think it's worth you planting that seed so they can get the fruit of that video that they watched? I'm proud. Listen, I'm proud of you. Don't take it lightly that you listening to this video. 10 minutes and 55, 56, 57 seconds in. If you're watching the video this long, I want you to type in the comment that you're proud of somebody doing their thing on YouTube. I don't care who it is. It could be yourself. Say, I'm proud of myself for being on YouTube. You can say, I'm proud of the people that's in the comment section being on YouTube. I want to blow this comment section up. I want this comment section to have 1,000 comments on there because you're proud of somebody else. Type in the comments. Say, I'm proud of you. Make a hashtag, I'm proud of you. Let this circulate. Because so many people on YouTube, they're giving up because they don't see no results. They're giving in because they say it's not working. It is working. They just don't know that it takes time. Everything takes time. So that's the end of this video. I just want you to know, hashtag, I'm proud of you. I want you to know, don't give up, don't quit. I want you to know that this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. Because I'm proud of you. Keep on posting. Keep on making those videos. Hashtag my time. Hashtag be authentic. Hashtag keep posting. So until next time, God bless.